The need for sustainable and smart mobility is becoming increasingly critical in urban areas all over the world. As cities are becoming more populated, the transport sector needs to transform in order to create a green, smart and sustainable city. Gothenburg has been ranked as the most sustainable destination in the world for 4 years in a row. And here, mobility is key.
In Gothenburg, it's very important for us that the city is very livable and pleasant. We want to make it easy and enjoyable to go by public transport, both in the center, but also for commuters who comes to Gothenburg to work. So now we're on an electric ferry, which we have here as a part of the public transport in Gothenburg. And it's very popular, as you can see, also for people with bicycles. But it's also an important part in reaching the environmental targets for the city. We also have bus lines that are electrified. And since they are electric, we can also have indoor bus stops. And these bus stops could also be introduced in shopping malls and hospitals, for example. Then actually we also have now an electric garbage truck. And the advantage is that it's very quiet and pleasant, especially early in the morning. But it's also a much better working environment for the people who drives it.
We want to use leg muscle instead of fossil fuels. To exchange as many trucks as we possibly can, so that there's less noise, no smell, and more smiles in the city.
So Gothenburg is growing a lot. We are building a lot of new houses and offices and also infrastructure, just like in other parts of the world. And we welcome all of you to come here and see our solution and learn from our transportation and mobility systems.